Tomorrow, August 23rd, the night sky will host an extraordinary celestial event, a rare occurrence known as a black moon. While you might not see the moon itself, it will be hidden behind the sun. This phenomenon is still worth watching because of its infrequency. So, what exactly is a black moon? Though it's not an official astronomical term, it refers to unusual alignments of new moons. This week's event falls under a specific category, the third new moon in a season that contains 4. Normally, each season has 3 new moons, but the lunar cycle doesn't perfectly match our calendar. Occasionally, an extra new moon sneaks in, and the third one in that sequence becomes a black moon. The last seasonal black moon occurred on May 19, 2023, at 2:06 a.m. EDT, 06 GMT on August 23rd, just before midnight PDT on Friday, August 22nd. The moon will officially enter its new phase. At that moment, it will be positioned in the constellation Leo, just 1 degree north of the sun. This new moon is part of a series. Summer 2025 in the Northern Hemisphere began with new moons on June 25th, July 23rd, August 3rd, and September 21st. With 4 new moons squeezed into the season, the August 23rd event is dubbed a black moon. Seasonal black moons happen roughly once every 33 months. But here's where it gets interesting. A black moon isn't something you can watch unfold in real time. During a new moon, the moon is between Earth and the sun, so its unlit side faces us, making it invisible. However, the days following the black moon will reveal a stunning sight, a thin crescent moon. On August 24th and 25th, look toward the western horizon about 30 to 40 minutes after sunset to spot a delicate silver arc, the moon's first reappearance after going dark. The moonless skies around a new moon are also perfect for stargazing. Fainter deep sky objects, which are hard to see during brighter moon phases, become easier to spot. Plus, this is an ideal time to study the dense core of the Milky Way. Join our space forums to discuss the latest missions, night sky events, and more. If you have a news tip, correction, or comment, share it with us at community@space.com. For beginners wanting to explore the cosmos, the Celestron Nexstar 8 SE is a great choice. It offers reliable, high-quality views of celestial objects. For a deeper dive, check out our review. And remember, while a black moon may seem mysterious, it's just a reminder of how rarely we get to witness these cosmic moments. Is a black moon really a black moon? What do you think?